Alrighty, everybody, here is question number 20 from 7.3. This is a very easy question. See here, we know that cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. This is a formula. So I'm gonna use it here. Let's see what can we do. So cos square x minus sin square x by this thing, which is sin x plus cos x square. What is a square minus b square? Tell me. We can factorize it, right? Cos x plus sin x into cos x. Second, cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x square. Correct? So here this is matching. The one power of this will cancel. Correct? Now what is left over is this integration of cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x. If you have practiced well, guys, you can see clearly we can consider the denominator as t. Look here. Assume, you see here, assume say sin x plus cos x is t. So what will you get? If I take it as t, let me differentiate both sides, right? What is derivative of sin x? Cos x minus what is derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Let me erase it. It's nothing but minus sin x dx is dt. And it is exactly matching with, this is exactly matching with our numerator. Correct? So let me write down, this is dt by t. You can see this entire thing is nothing but dt. Correct? Here if you notice, this entire thing is dt. And this is, we have assumed as t. This we have assumed as t. So what is integration of this is log of mod of t. And what is t? T was sin x plus cos x plus c. Now question number 21. In this question you see here, we know one formula that sin inverse of sin x becomes x. Okay, the condition is the sin inverse and sin both should match. But here is cos. So if you remember from 11th class, cos, can I convert into sin like this? Yes or no? Right? Cos x can be written as sin pi by 2 minus x. So let me write down here. So this will become sin inverse of sin, what is x? Pi minus x dx. Okay, this is the formula from class 11th. Now sin inverse and sin can disappear easily and we can write just this by this formula. Sin inverse and sin together, they disappear and we get only x. You can see here, only x. So here this part is only left over. Correct? Now we can just integrate. So what is the integration of this will be? Integration of pi by 2. Since we are doing integration, now this sign will go. Let me write down pi by 2 into x, because integration of 1 is x, minus integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. Fine? Okay, this is question number 22. I'm sorry, this is not an example. This is a question number 22. So write down everyone, dx cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. To integrate it, we need a little bit of manipulation. That manipulation you have to learn. Can I write, guys, sin a minus b, right? We already know what is sin A minus B. So purposely I am dividing by sin A minus B and multiplying by sin A minus B. You will see why I am doing it. There is a reason behind it. Okay, just see what we are doing. Now here it is A minus B sin A minus B by cos x minus A into cos x minus B. Correct? Now one manipulation we will do. See here what we will do. This A minus B, can I write this A minus B, can I write A plus x minus B? Can we do that? Okay. So if I see this, here in denominator we need x minus b. So we need x minus b. And we need x minus a. So we need x minus a. So let me take this with this and this with this. Okay, we will pair it up. How we will pair it up? Let me show you guys. One by sin a minus b, then sin, I can write these two together, a minus x and plus x minus b. Okay, this is just a manipulation. It is same thing. I am just writing a with this x and x with b. Cos x minus a into cos x minus b. Now let us see what can we do. 1 by sin a minus b, we can write the formula. What is sin? We know one formula, sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. We know this formula, correct? So can I apply that here? This part, I will assume this part is working like capital A and this is capital B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, so let me apply it here. Assuming this is A and this is B. So sin A minus x cos x minus B plus, since it is plus in between, if it is minus then minus comes here in the formula, but if it is plus then plus comes. Please write down this formula that you are supposed to know. So here plus will come, so this will become sin A cos B into cos A sin B, which is x minus b, divided by cos of x minus A cos of x minus b. Okay, so now my question has become this. Now what can we do here is to simplify. See here, this will be divided by this and this also, right? Denominator goes to both, it belongs to both, this also and this also. So let me write sin of a minus b, integration of this by this, sin a minus x cos x minus b by cos x minus a cos x minus b plus integration of cos a minus x sin x minus b cos x minus a and cos x minus b dx. Okay, now what can we do here? Do you think anything is cancelling? देखिए इधर cos x minus b, this is cancelling. Let me write down at least one thing got cancelled. cos x minus b, and this is cancelled. So what is sin a minus x and cos this? देखिए sin a minus x, and this can be written as cos a minus x. Why? Why can we write it? See here, for cos there is a formula, and what is that formula? Let me write down here. That formula for cos theta is, if you have cos of minus theta, it becomes plus of cos theta. If you have cos a minus b, it can become cos b minus a. Because for cos, minus becomes plus. Okay? And a minus b can be written as b minus a. It does not matter for cos. Cos को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि ये a minus b है या b minus a. इसीलिए यहाँ पर what I did, x minus a became a minus x. Why I am doing it? In order to match these two, a minus x and a minus x. Okay, let's do the remaining part. Integration of, anything is cancelling here? Sin x minus b, no. This can cancel. Cos a minus x and cos x minus a is the same thing. We just wrote it here. So these two will cancel. And what I am getting here is sin of x minus b, cos of x minus b dx. Okay, I hope you have written it. Now, what is sin by cos? We all know what is sin by cos. Sin a minus b. We all know what is sin by cos is tan a minus x dx minus integration of, this is also tan x minus b dx. Now it is pretty straightforward to integrate. Why? Because we know the formula, integration of, what is the integration of tan x? Integration of tan x dx is nothing but log of mod of sec x. These are the formulas you should memorize. Log of mod of sec x. So answer will be, guys, sin of a minus b, and this we have integrated. So it will be log of sec of a minus x mod, and what is the coefficient? Whatever is the coefficient of x always comes in denominator. Always remember that. So minus 1 minus, and what is the integration of this is log of mod of sec x minus b. Here the coefficient of x is 1 only, so there will come only 1. So this is my answer. Okay, if you want, you can take minus in front, this minus and this front, and simplify it. Let me just quickly show you what can you do is, this minus and this minus we can simplify like this. We write down sin, what we will get is a minus b. Okay, and these two minus you can take in front, log of sec a minus x mod log of sec x minus b mod. This is your answer. In books they may have written in terms of cos, that is also fine. Let me tell you why that is also fine. Let me explain. And this is also fine. देखिए, let me show you. Log of sec of x, suppose, can I write it log of minus sec of x power minus 1? It's the same thing, correct? Let me show you why once again. Eraser is not working, guys. I'm sorry. Let me show you why. In log, usually what happens, whatever is in front, is a lag in my system. I'm sorry, guys. My minus of log of sec x. Can I write minus of minus? And in log, whatever is front goes back to the power. So it will become log of sec of x power minus 1. Okay. And power minus 1 means what? It means is minus of log of 1 by sec x. Inverse, so which is nothing but log of cos x. So this is also correct answer if you use it here. Next question. Alright, this is question number 23. Sin square minus cos square by sin square into cos square. Pretty straightforward question. Let's try it. See, if we have a minus b by c, it belongs to both. This everybody knows. So I will split it into two parts. This minus this. Correct? I have split into two parts. Correct? Here clearly this is cancelling. 1 by cos square is, everybody knows, sec square dx minus. Here what is cancelling? This is cancelling. See, you should know this integration goes to both parts. So I have separated it. Integration is going to both, to this also and this also. And what is 1 by sin square? Is nothing but cosec square x dx. Correct? Integration of sec square is not a secret anymore. This is nothing but tan x. And integration of this is nothing but minus of cot x plus c. And this minus and minus will become plus. That's it. See here, this is the question. Many students feel this is a difficult question because it has exponents, trigonometry and algebra x. If you look carefully, there is something hidden whose derivative is in the question itself. एक ऐसी चीज जिसका derivative is in the question itself. What it is? With experience you will know that is nothing but this denominator. This part is your t. Okay? So let me take ex into x is t. If I differentiate using u into v method, so ex as it is, derivative of x, d by dx of x, plus x as it is, d by dx of ex is dt. I'm sorry, because since I am doing derivative both sides, it's not a differential question, so that's not how we write. How we write is this: e raised to power x, derivative of x is 1. If x as it is, what is derivative of ex? D by dx of ex into dx is dt by using uv method. So ex into 1 plus x into, what is derivative of this? Is ex, dx is dt. Okay? Here ex can come common. 1 plus x, 1 plus x dx is dt. Which is clearly, this part is exactly matching with the numerator. Can you see that? So this whole part became dt. You can see that, this whole part. And what is this? This is nothing but cos square, and this is what? This part we just assumed as t. This is t. So what it will become? 1 by cos square is sec square t dt, and integration of sec square is tan of t plus c. And what is t? t क्या था guys? t ये था e raised to power x plus c. This is my answer. Here guys, this is the list of the formulas which we will use in exercise number 7.4. So please write down this entire list and try to memorize it before the next class. Okay? I hope you are done writing by now. See you in next video. Bye everyone.